Welcome to watch today's Fresham. The Waterfront House of a great French architect on the Mediterranean. Architect Jerry Pellerin designed Villa Nicky, a dream home on a hillside where he can live with his feet in the water surrounded by his family. Spanning 180 square meters, Villa Nicky unfolds vertically over 4 floors. The entrance is from the street, through a discreet door and a natural light well that offer a peaceful welcome. 1 floor below is the master suite, followed by the main living space, where the open living room stretches to a large travertine terrace and a swimming pool.